Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one is called Club Countdown. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is going to be 2 rounds in total. Okay, so you're going to power through round 1, there's 6 exercises. Okay, so we're going to drop down in the reps on each exercise as we're going through the round. Once you've completed all of those 6 exercises, take a 60-second rest, and then you do a second round. Okay, so once you've done your second round, the workout is completed. It might take you 15 minutes, might take you 16. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just power through as fast as you can, keeping good technique on each exercise. And once you've done those 2 rounds, the workout's finished. If you don't do 2 rounds in the 20 minutes, just stop the clock on the 20-minute mark. Remember how many reps that you got on, and then next time you do this workout, you're just going to try and perform more reps than you did on the last time. All right, guys, so I'm going to go through the exercises now, show you what that looks like. So exercise number 1, we're going to start off with 30 reps of side lunge and clean. Okay, so with this, you can either do this as a 2-handed clean or a single clean. If you're doing it as a single clean, you're going to do 15 reps each arm, but the reps on the legs stay the same, so it's 30 reps of the legs. You can either choose to do a 2-handed clean or a single arm clean, up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate with a single arm clean. So from here, we're going to clean the club into the order position. From here, we've got our feet close in. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a side lunge. So a side lunge is a big step out. If I'm stepping to my right, I'm going to bend my right knee. My left knee stays straight, and I bend my right knee as much as I can, and I just make sure that my knee tracks my toes. I'm not internally or externally rotated, and then I drive off through the heel, squeezing the glute on that drive up. Try and keep the chest facing forward, so I'm not folding from the hips with my chest facing the ground. I'm trying to keep my chest facing forward, and I get that depth by bending my knee. All right, guys, show you what that looks like. So we're going to go 15 reps of my right arm, and then normally I would change 15 reps of my left arm. 30 reps in total with the lunges though. So big step to the side, lunge, and then clean. And then other side, lunge, and then clean. All the usual cues apply with a clean. So casting, full arm lock, weight from here until our arms connect. Slight hip hinge. We are doing a lunge, so we're going to be dropping down at the same time, but then we just catch it into that order position at the top. Okay, so from here, into that order position, so catch, okay, so go 30 reps of those. As soon as you've done your 30 reps of those, we're going to go 25 gamma casts. Obviously there's an odd number there, so if you're starting with the left shoulder, next time you do your round, go over the right shoulder. Gamma casts, so basically it's a 2-handed shield cast, so over the shoulder, make sure your thumbs get all the way to the top of your t-shirt line, pull down from the lats, pull down the elbows, and then back into that 2-handed order position. Okay, so 25 gamma casts, and then we're going to go 30 death lunges with a twist. So we're always twisting over the front knee. A death lunge is basically reverse lunge to front lunge. Okay, so just going to show you what that looks like. You will need to change grips on this one, so you might do 10 reps with your right hand guard, and then the next time you do 10 reps with the left hand guard. So with the right hand guard, I'm going to go with my right leg. So I'm going to step back, make sure I've got plenty of room. So from here, I'm going to twist over the front leg, right leg back, right leg forward, twist over that front leg. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like again. Right leg goes back, twisting over the front leg, which is my left leg. Okay, right leg goes forward, twisting over the front leg again, which is to my right side. Once you get used to the movement, you don't need to stop in the middle. So you go reverse lunge, bit confused, overload. So it will look like this. All right, so it's a real killer leg movement, that one. Okay, so once you've done those, we're going to go into 15 reps flag press. Shoulders down and pec down, elbows tucked in, and then drive those elbows towards the center line, squeeze through the chest, push that club out from the body. So you are slightly going up in this movement as well. So hands start on the navel, but they finish at shoulder height. Draw those elbows back, put it back into that two-handed all position. All right guys, so you go 15 reps of those, then you're gonna go 10 reps of thrusters. So thrusters is squat to torch press. Keep those elbows tucked in, shoulders packed down, elbows tucked in, nice and low. Thighs parallel to the floor if you can. Drive from the legs to the arms, straight overhead. Okay, as you pull that club back in, go straight back into that squat again. And just with a torch press, I like to have my thumbs on the back of the handle. Give me a little bit more extra support. Again, the club is slightly going forward and it's coming back. So it's not just going up and down in a straight line, it's slightly going forward. All right guys, and then the last one is a side swipe. So we've done our sagittal plane swipes before. A sagittal plane swipe is basically this. We could do that same movement in the frontal plane as well though. Okay, so if we're starting in the order position on the right side, we do our clean, to arm cast over the shoulder. Okay, pull that lat down, rip that elbow down, back in to the side clean, back in over the shoulder. Okay, so with this one, we're just gonna go 5 reps on each side, and that's it. So that'll be round 1. Take a 60-second rest, and then you would do round 2. All right guys, that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.